Welcome back to the channel, everyone! In today's quick Microsoft Word tutorial, you'll learn how to remove a header from your document in just a few clicks. Whether you're editing a report, creating a new document, or removing unwanted formatting. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Make sure the document you want to edit is already open. Next, click on the Insert tab located on the top ribbon of the Word window. Then, look for the Header option in the Header and Footer section of the ribbon. Click on Header to open the drop-down menu. Scroll to the bottom of the list and click on Remove Header. Microsoft Word will immediately remove the header from every page in your document if the header is linked throughout the file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others who may find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.